dogs are often considered as the most faithful and closest to human among all the domesticated animals, and it is clearly seen that most people in Manipur rear pet dogs with utmost love and care. Apart from local breeds, many dog lovers own different breeds of foreign origin here, and the number is increasing day by day. Jotin Kangleicha of Thongju Part 2 Mamanglaikai is one of the professional dog trainers in Manipur since his early childhood, during which he was very fond of his pet animals, and with time he started to train his pet dog named John, now no more, with his own simple tactics at home. Zone was a very clever and intelligent local breed dog, and it got the Best of the Breed award at the first All-Breed Dog Show Championship 2004 held at Mapal, Kangzebong, besides winning first prizes during many other dog shows, said Jotin.
Maje maitai huini 2004 Mapal Kangchibuda pangthokiba koi Manipur gen ahan bai dihasta ahan bo eba dog show ja stay da mana logiba maitai hui wena recognize togiba matamduda adam kan atop haidi foreign brit singa sum singba heli helona baje segi against the maitai hui ju tambi ba yai haro challenge toga puthok pani matamduda ado adaida mana logiba hui do adugi mingda ni aina John Dog Training Center na when thonjari base.
After the death of John, and with an aim to stop the practice of killing of dogs and consumption of its meat, Jotin has opened a training center in John's name at his residence, and the center is currently giving training to a number of indigenous varieties of dog with utmost love and care. Jotin further stated that local breeds could do more than whatever any foreign dog breed can.
I know local breed, indigenous breed singja. Moji yokating may pandam the Haitarago. I did Tamibaya di Hanamayamna, common sense in labor, Prajamayamjina. I don't know awareness people Haitarago. Yes, Sugum Huyamale, winners some Yodagadi, Mayam Hazadena. Caesar, Huyana Karakoko Huiduni, Mazu Tina Trent or Gadi. Foreign breed compared to the Nopte. Manalo Bongami, not a magic Tobongami have the Adogi Panam, the way Harry Wagon was a training center in Kachagiven.
A well-educated Jotin conveyed the message of accepting local dogs as pets instead of buying foreign dogs at higher rate. As of now, Jotin is training Laika, a Tangkhul dog breed, along with other different types of dogs at his training center, and preparing them for upcoming dog shows. Yes, we are very much in debt to John Dog Care Center for its unique training style of reminding us that our local breeds are equally worth as the foreign counterparts to be our best companion. As we found that Jotin nurtures our local breeds to bring out the exceptional qualities inherited in them, which can also be found in many other foreign breeds as well. So why do we need to hunt for such a treasure somewhere else when it is very much among us? At the same time, it would be very wrong for us to consider and to also see such a treasure and such a best companion as a food item. So let's stop killing animals. Let's start loving our local breeds. And then let's start cherishing their company. With camera person Mangsatabam Ojit, this is Daina Pangsatabam reporting for Times of Manipur.